TMODs, and distinguished guests, and my dear Toastmasters. It's a great privilege for me to speak on the occasion of this milestone event, the 800th meeting of our Chennai Toastmasters Club. On seeing the colorful posters created for this event, my wife commented, "What a great combination of different shades of colors. Glitter pink, clay brown, ruby red, fire yellow, and midnight blue." Midnight blue? No. I thought it was midnight something else, midnight masala. No. It is midnight blue. This color intelligence, I don't know how these girls and ladies, they are very comfortable with all these shades of colors. I know only red, green, blue, RGB, along with white and black. That's my color intelligence. I heard that there are so many courses for business intelligence, artificial intelligence, but I didn't see any course for this color intelligence. This lack of this color intelligence skill put me in a lot of strain and put me under a lot of stress, particularly when I go to these malls along with my wife. Yeah, last Sunday, I went with my wife to a mall, Forum Mall in Chennai. You all guys know that malls are for ladies, for the ladies, by the ladies, and of the ladies, right? We gents, we go there just to drink that Starbucks coffee or eat something not prepared at home, right? But these wives, they think that we are coming there to help them in the purchases. That is very, very bad. That's not our intention, right? I went there last Sunday with my wife. The first stop after entering the mall is textile shop. She directly get into the textile shop and straightly he went into that saree section. I went there with a lot of difficulties. You know, there are so many crowd. There are so much of crowd in the saree section. You might be knowing the reason why. I have to be very carefully, I have to move around without hurting the perfume coated bodies of the ladies, and also without getting hurt by the high heels of the modern ladies. At last I reached the destination. My wife took a saree and showed it to me. Is this Arctic blue good for me? But I had never seen Arctic Sea or Antarctic Sea, even Atlantic Sea. What is this Arctic blue? I just nodded my head here and there. See, Mitsuki says no, and then shown another saree. What about the sea blue? What, Arctic blue and sea blue? Are they two different colors? Is Arctic is not a sea? I was confused a lot. Then she showed me, what about this aqua blue? Aqua blue? Aqua blue. Then she understood my uncomfortable situation. And then she asked me to go to the nearby section. Nearby section, I went there. Before that, she looked at me very, very affectionately. I know something is dangerous is going to happen. If the wives looked at us affectionately, something dangerous is going to happen, right? She told in a very, very soft tone, "Darling, could you go there and choose either cherry red or poppy red for me?" Saree. What? Cherry red or poppy red? I know them only as flowers and fruits. How come they connected with that sarees? Anyhow, I memorized that cherry red, poppy red, cherry red, poppy red, cherry red, poppy red. I went there. But during the time, she instructed the girl in that section. You see, he's coming there. You show him different shades of red. What? I was about to take only cherry red or poppy red. How come different shades of red? This girl very enthusiastically, this sales girl, she took 25 sarees from the shelf and threw it at me. I just withdrew and then it fell on the table. I looked at all those sarees. To me, all looked like same red. But anyhow, I wanted to keep my dignity, right? So I just looked at her and said, "Is there any different shade of red?" She looked at me with a lot of respect. Hey, this person knows different shades of red. Okay. Then she took another 25 colors of shades of red color saris and then threw it at me. She started telling, this is merlet red, this is garnet red, this is scarlet red, this is blood red, this is blush red, this is wine red. Oh, red wine red. Okay, show it to me. It seems that I am very much associated with that red wine saree. I just took that and showed it to my wife. From there, she said, that means you just keep it there and come here. I just, without saying any word, I obediently kept that saree there, looking at that wine red, and then I came back there to my wife. On my return, she showed me two more sarees, one on left hand and one on right hand. How about this lemon yellow or how about this mustard yellow? Which one do you prefer? To me, both look like same yellow. Lemon yellow or mustard yellow? I was confused. I just closed my finger and showed this. Oh, you like lemon yellow? But darling, I like only mustard yellow. Then why the hell you are asking? That is only my mind voice. We are not supposed to talk to our wives like that, right? Married people in this crowd will definitely agree with me. Then okay, give me the bill. I took the bill. She gave me 6 bills. What, you took only one saree? Mustard yellow. What is this 6 bills? What for? Darling, I have chosen 6 sarees. These are all the 5 more colors. Emerald green, salmon pink, charcoal gray, rose pink, botanic blue. This rose pink and botanic blue are your favorites, right? An atomic bomb fallen. What is this botanic blue? Botanic blue and rose pink, I never heard about this, even in my dream. Then I just paid all the bills, and while returning, I just booked for that Uber cab. After some time, the Uber driver called me and told, sir, your car is in the side entrance. The color is neon green. Over to you, Toastmaster of the day.